can't see anything in front of me, because I can see up that hole on the side.
Where was that?
Yeah, I'm still right up top. They probably dropped down and came back up. Oh, we're surrounded by birds. They were going. They were gobbling. Hens were chucking. Couldn't get a bird to come in though. So when shit like that happens, pack up, go find more birds somewhere else. Chase, I guess Chase saw it. I couldn't see it because, you know, trees like to block my view. And something buggered that bird out. He done dipped, so.
He gone.
He gone.
On to the next one, right?
Yep. Yeah.
The birds kind of disappeared.
Yeah, they're quiet. Dang birds. You can shoot him. Good shot. Okay. That last one. Stop.
Yeah.
Hug me, brother! Yeah, baby. First bird, hold on, this is the big question. Oh, he's got good 1 inch spurs.
Oh my gosh. You smoked him out of that.
Is he
bird.
rolling right now?
Yeah, the whole time.
Okay, so check it out, right? We're walking up this road, and I'm like, I'm feeling doubtful. Midday, probably an hour left. I turned, I saw a flash, and it looked like 2 birds. Stopped chase. Like, yo, there's 2 birds. We gotta stop, there's 2 birds. And he's like, all right, and then he got a good look at him. He hit him with a call. They turned right in. I didn't see him at first. And then they just came up over here. I mean, the first bird, that was a big bird. He had a longer beard, but I just couldn't get a good shot. This guy was coming in the end and let the hammer down, smoked him. Oh my God, look at that fan.
That is gorgeous.
Dude. I'm about to cry right now because this is my first. Oh my God. I'm about to cry.
Let her out, buddy.
Oh, dude. Oh my God.